Imagine transforming your body into a fat-burning machine. Sounds interesting, right? Welcome to the world of the ketogenic diet. This isn't just another fad diet, but a lifestyle change that has the potential to offer a multitude of health benefits. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is characterized by a low-carb and high-fat intake. When you cut down on your carbohydrates, your body is forced to look for an alternative source of energy. That's when it turns to fats, breaking them down into ketones, which then become your body's new fuel. It's like switching your body from a gas-guzzling truck to a fuel-efficient hybrid car. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's always best to consult a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Now let's dive into the top 8 foods that can help you on your keto journey. First up, we have seafood. Rich in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium, seafood is virtually carb-free and a protein powerhouse. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association even suggests that fish consumption can improve cardiovascular health. What's not to love? Next, let's talk about low-carb vegetables. Don't be fooled, not all veggies are created equal. Some are high in carbs and can derail your ketogenic efforts. But low-carb vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and zucchini, they're your new best friends. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they're low in calories and carbs, but high in many nutrients. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition shows that a higher vegetable intake is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases. Seafood and low-carb vegetables, a delicious start to your keto journey. Ready for more? Let's unveil the next 2 keto-friendly foods. First up, we have Greek yogurt. Now who doesn't love a good serving of Greek yogurt? But beyond its creamy texture and tangy taste, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for those on a ketogenic diet. It's high in protein and low in carbs, making it perfect for keeping you in that ketogenic state. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. There are numerous ways to incorporate Greek yogurt into your meals, whether you're using it as a base for a dressing, a creamy substitute in your favorite recipes, or enjoying it as is with some berries for breakfast. Next, we have avocados. These green gems are not only delicious but are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're high in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats and packed with fiber. According to a study in the Journal of the American Heart Association, consuming 1 avocado a day can significantly improve your cholesterol levels. What's more, avocados are also rich in several vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which is an essential nutrient that many people don't get enough of. So, whether you're making guacamole or slicing it for a salad, avocados are a great addition to your keto diet. But remember, while Greek yogurt and avocados are keto-friendly, they are also nutritious. So, portion control is key. You should aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, and not just focus on 1 or 2 items. Greek yogurt and avocados, not only delicious but keto-friendly too. So go ahead, add them to your shopping list, and enjoy the benefits they bring to your ketogenic journey. The keto journey continues with 2 more superfoods. Our next stop on this flavorful adventure brings us to the land of protein-rich delights, meat and poultry. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that shifts the body's metabolism towards fats and away from carbs. This state, known as ketosis, allows the body to burn fat more effectively. Now, where does meat and poultry come in? They're packed with protein, a crucial nutrient that aids in muscle repair and growth. Plus, they're virtually carb-free, making them a perfect fit for a keto diet. Let's dive a bit deeper. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high-protein diets can help preserve muscle mass during weight loss, and meat and poultry are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Whether it's a juicy steak, a tender chicken breast, or a succulent turkey roast, these foods provide the body with essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein. And let's not forget how versatile they are. With countless ways to prepare them, meat and poultry can keep your keto meals diverse and exciting. But remember, while they're a crucial part of the keto diet, it's still important to balance them with other keto-friendly foods. Now let's crack open the benefits of our next superfood, eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse offering high-quality protein and fat. Plus, they're incredibly low in carbs. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that eating eggs can increase feelings of fullness, which can help control appetite and contribute to weight loss, an important aspect of the ketogenic diet. Eggs are also brimming with nutrients like vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which are vital for brain health. And the best part? They're as versatile as they come. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or fried, eggs can add variety to your keto diet and keep it interesting. Meat, poultry, and eggs, the key to keeping your keto diet diverse and interesting. Now for the final two foods that are perfect for your ketogenic menu, let's talk about nuts and seeds first. These little nutrient powerhouses are high in fat and low in carbohydrates, making them an ideal choice for the ketogenic diet. They're packed with fiber and protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Some studies, like one published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, even suggest that regular nut consumption can decrease the risk of heart disease. Next up, we have berries. While most fruits are too high in carbs for the keto diet, berries are an exception. They're low in carbs and high in fiber. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that can protect your body against inflammation and disease. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that berries have some of the highest antioxidant levels of all fruits. Nuts, seeds, and berries, the perfect way to finish your keto food list. Before we wrap up, let's clear up some common misconceptions about the ketogenic diet. Some folks think it's all about devouring meat. Truth is, while protein is a key player, it's not the star of the show. Healthy fats take center stage in a keto diet, with protein in a supporting role. Another myth is that the ketogenic diet is impossible to maintain. It's not a walk in the park, but with the right mindset and approach, it can become a sustainable lifestyle change. It's not about depriving yourself, but making smarter choices. Some people also believe that keto means saying goodbye to all fruits and vegetables, but in reality, leafy greens, avocados, berries are not only allowed but encouraged. They're packed with essential nutrients and fiber while being low in carbs. Remember, the ketogenic diet is about balance and making healthier choices. It's a journey that requires understanding, patience, and commitment. So there you have it, the top 8 foods for the best ketogenic diet. Let's briefly recap. We've got our healthy fats like avocados and olives, high-quality proteins such as grass-fed beef and wild-caught salmon, non-starchy vegetables like spinach and zucchini, and a handful of dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Each of these foods plays a unique role in supporting a balanced and effective ketogenic diet, helping you achieve your health goals. Remember, this video is intended to educate and inspire, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Each person's dietary needs are unique, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to tailor a diet plan that's best for you. Thank you for joining us on this keto journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. We're excited to continue exploring the world of nutrition together, one bite at a time. If you found this information helpful, then please check this other video on the screen. It's another one that will empower you on your way to a better health. See you there.